Hi, in this tutorial we're going to talk about the Beatdown step sequencer by Sonic Faction. The patch works for both APC40 and Launchpad. Today we're going to go over the Launchpad features. To locate the device, we'll go to the Ableton library. Click on MIDI Effects, Max MIDI Effect, Sonic Faction, and there it is, the Beatdown step sequencer. Drag and drop that in front of the Beatdown instrument on your track. First thing you need to do is choose Launchpad from the drop-down list. Press User 2 at any time to get into the step sequencing mode. Press Session to go back to normal mode. If this is your first time using the Beatdown step sequencer, we recommend clicking the little question mark in the bottom left-hand corner. This will bring up a detailed overview of the BeatSeek, as well as some really helpful graphical layouts to help you get around on the devices. We'll leave it on Launchpad for now. So let's hit play on Ableton and drop a beat. Each row of notes corresponds to a drum cell on the Beatdown. This pattern's only 8 steps long, but you can use the right arrow to page over. This will give you up to 64 steps. Use the up arrow to access additional notes on the Beatdown. Now that we've got a cool pattern going, let's explore some of the other modes on the step sequencer. Scene Launch 2 button brings up the velocity page, which looks identical, but you can actually input velocity by tapping on the lit buttons. Each color represents a different velocity setting that can be made on the GUI of the BeatSeek. Let's add an accent to the kick. Page 3 is the note duration page. In order to take full advantage of this mode, you need to use the Beatdown Sustain Kit preset that's included with the install. Next is the groove page. The green line at the bottom represents groove amount. The group of orange squares represents different types of grooves. The 2 red lights allow you to fine-tune the groove amount up or down. Page 5 is the pattern looper. You can use the up-down arrows to change the quantize value of the pattern looper. Next up is the global effects page. Every pad you see momentarily triggers one of the global effects on the rack at the end of the Beatdown. To do this without the BeatSeek, you'd need 8 arms. Next, we have the sequence modulation page. In this mode, we can assign up to 4 knobs simultaneously and draw them in on the Launchpad. Let's select the hi-hat and modulate the pitch. Click Learn, and then click the pitch knob. Now draw in a pattern on the Launchpad. You can set the range of each modulation by using the red slider on the GUI. Last is the preset page. If you want to save a pattern, hold down Scene Launch 8 button and press any empty clip slot. It's that easy. To save an entire preset bank, all you have to do is drag and drop the Beatdown sequencer into your Ableton library.